What will you say to mom? Welcome po. Wow, nag-i-enjoy si Aya sa bagong toys niya, oh. Nice. Yeah. Utang ko pa nga yan kay ate yan. Hindi ko pa napabayaran yan eh. Ito, this one, Aya, puzzle. Puzzle.
Hindi namin maano buksan eh. Ito din oh.
Ah, puzzle din yan. Oh, tomorrow naman. Tomorrow ko open yan, ha? Para hindi, ano. Isa-isa lang. One at a time. Enjoy. Enjoy nyo muna yung ibang toys. Wow. Aya, ano to? Anong shape? Aya, what is the shape? Aya, look at me. Aya, look at mommy. Anong shape to, Aya?
Square.
This one?
Triangle.
This one?
Spell that. Look. Wow.
Rec
Rectangle.
rectangle. This one?
Circle.
Very good, Aya.
Aya.
Ah, this one.
One
Anong
plus-
color yung hawak mo? What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. How about this one?
Red.
How about this
Aya.
one?
Purple. Aya.
This one? This one, anong color? Ito. Ito.
Green.
Good. Oh, ito.
Aya. What? Solve this
Ano?
problem.
Aya.
1 plus
One. Aya, look. Anong number to?
I will put in my ear.
Aya, look at me muna. Anong number to?
Addition tayo.
1 plus 2 equals... Anong sagot?
Yung focus is addition.
Ah, 1, 2, 3. Aya, look.
1,
How many na to? How many? Oh! ano yun?
LQ mo. 3.
3.